OnePlus is working on the successor of its flagship OnePlus Pad Pro tablet, which is expected to be called the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro. The device recently made an appearance on China's 3C certification database. The Pad 2 Pro is rumored to feature a 13.2-inch 3.4K LCD panel, offering sharper visuals than its predecessor's 2.8K screen. It will be identified by the model number Oppo OPD2409, has appeared on Geekbench, include up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X RAM, targeting power users and multitaskers. Camera specs include a 13MP rear sensor and 8MP front shooter, maintaining focus on productivity over photography. A 10,000 mAh battery, unchanged from the prior model, will leverage 80W charging. The Pad 2 Pro shares core specs with Oppo's upcoming Pad 4 Pro, set to launch in April 2025 in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.